To add products to the Wholesaler Portal, access the Inventory module from the main navigation menu and proceed to Bulk Import Products to initiate the product upload process. Download the provided CSV or XLSX template and enter the product information according to the required format. Once the file is updated, select it using Choose File and click Upload to import the products. After the upload is completed, the system displays the import results, including accepted NDCs, validation errors, and rejected records. The uploaded products are not immediately added to the inventory listing. To publish the imported products, click Activate Inventory, which redirects you to the Ingest History section. Here, all uploaded files are available for review, along with a rollback option that allows the inventory to be restored to its previous state if required. Upon activation, all successfully imported products become available in the inventory listing. Within the product listing, wholesalers can edit existing product details, including stock levels and other relevant attributes. All modifications can be updated by clicking Save to ensure the changes are applied. In addition, products can be removed from the listing using the Delete option. A Pause NDC feature is also available, which temporarily deactivates a product, making it unavailable for purchase without permanently deleting it from the system. Wholesalers can quickly locate products using the NDC and status filters. The Clear option resets the search criteria and removes any applied filters.